Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into a word that helps us describe location and position, beyond. Beyond is a B2 level preposition, and it means on the other side of something. Think of it as what lies further away or past a certain point. It suggests something extends or exists outside a defined boundary. So, beyond isn't just about physical location. It can also refer to abstract concepts. Let's explore this further. To truly grasp the meaning of beyond, let's look at some synonyms. One good synonym is past. For example, the gas station is past the library is similar to saying the gas station is beyond the library. Another synonym is further. We might say, our responsibilities extend further than just filing documents, which conveys a similar meaning to our responsibilities extend beyond just filing documents. We can also use outside. Imagine saying, the solution lies outside the box. This is like saying the solution lies beyond the box. These synonyms help us understand how beyond indicates a position or concept that extends past a certain limit. Now, let's flip the coin and examine antonyms. An antonym for beyond could be within. Consider the sentence, the answer is within reach. This is the opposite of saying, the answer is beyond reach. Another antonym is inside. For instance, the cat stayed inside the house contrasts with the cat wandered beyond the house. We can also use near. Saying, the shop is near the park is the opposite of saying the shop is beyond the park. Understanding antonyms allows us to see the contrasting nature of beyond, emphasizing its meaning of exceeding a boundary. How can we use beyond in everyday life? Well, think about directions. You might tell someone, walk beyond the traffic lights and you'll see the cafe. Or you could use it in a metaphorical sense. Her ambitions stretch beyond her current job implies she desires something greater. We also commonly use it in phrases like above and beyond, which means exceeding expectations. For example, he went above and beyond to help his neighbor. Here are some more usage examples to solidify your understanding. The mountains beyond the lake were covered in snow. This describes a physical location. The implications of this decision go beyond just the financial aspect. This refers to a broader impact. She has skills that are beyond my comprehension. This highlights something difficult to understand. Our commitment to quality extends beyond mere compliance. This emphasizes a dedication to excellence. Life beyond Earth is a topic of great scientific interest. This refers to something that exists outside our planet. Let's try some more. The noise came from beyond the wall. Their influence reaches beyond the local community. The cost of the project went beyond the initial estimate. Her dedication to her work is beyond compare. The view from the summit was beyond breathtaking. In conclusion, beyond is a versatile preposition that signifies being on the other side of something, either physically or conceptually. We've explored its meaning, looked at synonyms like past, further, and outside, and contrasted it with antonyms like within, inside, and near. We've also seen how it's used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic journey. Before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode of Hello Word, please consider subscribing to the podcast and leaving a review. Your support helps others discover our show, bringing the joy of language learning to a wider audience. As a fun challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word beyond and share it as a comment under this video. I'm excited to see your creative examples. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.